Cześć, dzień dobry. Jak się masz? In today's video, I've got a very important verb for you, which you can't do without in any language, and that is a verb to be. By the end of this video, I'm sure you'll be able to take part in a short dialogue. Let's get started. First of all, we need to learn a few words. Perhaps you already know them. The vocabulary we're going to need for today's dialogue is tutaj, tutaj. You could also say tu, which means here. Another expression we'll need is w pracy. W pracy. That means at work. From the pronunciation point of view, notice how I say these two words together. W pracy. And because P is a voiceless consonant, then W sounds like F. So together you say w pracy. At work. And then at home is w domu. W domu. Again, notice how I say W this time. It stands next to D, which is a voiced consonant. So together they sound w domu. W domu. Another word we need for our dialogue is the question where. Gdzie? Gdzie? Few more expressions that we'll need today is nie wiem. Nie wiem. That means I don't know. Wszyscy. Wszyscy. And that means everybody, but it's a plural word, so wszyscy has to be followed by a verb in a plural form. Next one is dlaczego. Dlaczego? Which means why. Za tobą. That means behind you. And faktycznie. Which means indeed. Yeah, right. Faktycznie. Two more expressions for us. Myślę, że. Myślę. That means I think. And if you want to say I think that, you'll say myślę, że. And another one is jak to? That means how come. Jak to? How come? Then finally we need to learn a colloquial word and it sounds like that. Gapa. Gapa. Couldn't find an exact translation of the word gapa, but if you call someone or yourself gapa, that means that you are perhaps a bit careless or forgetful and you have done something silly accidentally. Before we start practicing the dialogue, let's see how to conjugate the verb to be. In an infinitive, it sounds quite different from its forms for different people. It is być. Być. Now let's see what it looks like in the present tense. Jestem. I am. Jesteś. You are. Jesteś. On jest. He is. On jest. Ona jest. Ona jest, she is. Ono jest. For example, when you're talking about a child, ono jest. So one more time. Jestem, jesteś, jest. And now the plural forms. Jesteśmy. We are. Jesteśmy. Jesteście. Jesteście. That's you, plural form. You are, plural. Jesteście. Oni są, they are, and oni is a pronoun for they when you're talking about a group of men or a mixed group. And then if you have a group of women or girls, then you'll use the pronoun one. One są, they are, one są. Time for our first dialogue. First, I'm going to read the whole dialogue to you, and later you're going to take part in this dialogue. Let's begin. Cześć. Gdzie jesteś? Jestem tutaj. Gdzie tutaj? Jestem za tobą. A, faktycznie. Jestem gapa. Let's read the first dialogue together. You might want to imagine that this is a dialogue somewhere in a shop when you're calling someone and when you want to find the other person somewhere in a busy shop. Let's then read the dialogue. Cześć. Gdzie jesteś? Jestem tutaj. Gdzie tutaj? Jestem za tobą. A, faktycznie. Jestem gapa. Now I'd like you to take part in the dialogue and read those lines highlighted in blue. Cześć, gdzie jesteś? Gdzie tutaj? A, faktycznie, jestem gapa. Time for the second dialogue. It's a bit longer, but still quite simple to follow. Let's have a look. Cześć. Jesteś teraz w domu? Nie, jestem w pracy. Jak to jesteś w pracy? Tak, ale nie wiem, gdzie są wszyscy. Myślę, że są w domu, bo jest sobota. No tak, ale ze mnie gapa. Now you are taking role in the dialogue. You're going to read the sentences highlighted in blue. Cześć, jesteś teraz w domu? Jak to, jesteś w pracy? Myślę, że są w domu, bo jest sobota. Let's do it one more time. This time you are going to start the dialogue. Nie, jestem w pracy. Tak, ale nie wiem, dlaczego jestem sama. Gdzie są wszyscy? No tak, ale ze mnie gapa. And now let's see if you remember what these sentences mean. I'm going to give you a few seconds and then the answer will appear on screen. Jestem w domu. Jestem w domu. Yes, that's I'm at home. Next one. Jesteś w pracy? Jesteś w pracy? That's are you at work? Wszyscy są w domu. Wszyscy są w domu. That means everybody is at home. But remember, wszyscy is followed by the verb in plural form. Therefore, we say są. Wszyscy są w domu. Right, next one then. Jesteśmy tutaj. Jesteśmy tutaj. We are here. Jesteście w pracy? Jesteście w pracy? That means are you at work, but when you're asking a group of people rather than one person. Gdzie teraz jesteś? Gdzie teraz jesteś? Where are you now? Gdzie teraz jesteś? Where are you now? And I'd like you to try and write in the comments where you are now using a verb to be followed by a phrase. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Dziękuję, do zobaczenia, cześć!